Welcome to, and you are going to learn no artificial intelligence from Noble, and we'll go to the various subfields of AI research and centered around particular goals and the use of particular tools. So let's go into the traditional goal of AI research includes reasoning. That was the first thing. Knowledge representation, planning, learning. Natural language processing, perception, okay, ability to move and manipulate objects, and general intelligence, the ability to solve an arbitrary problem is among the fields of long-term goals. To solve these problems, okay, AI researchers use various of searches and mathematical optimization, okay. Formal logic, it was the first mathematical optimization. Artificial neural networks, okay, ANN, and method based on statistics, probability, and economics. Also drawn some upon computer science, psychology, linguistics, philosophy, and many other fields.